You have the floor.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to the Public Building Commission of Chicago's live stream bid opening channel. This morning, we'll be opening the bids for the Sherman Park Branch Library Repairs and Renovations project. This project is located at 5440 South Racine Avenue, Chicago, Illinois, 60609. The PBC contract number is C1630. PBC project number 08325. Please stand by while we tabulate the bids. Thank you. Good morning, and thank you for your patience while the bids were tabulated. At this time, the PBC is in receipt of several bids. The bids will now be unsealed and read during the public bid opening. Again, this is the public bid opening for the Sherman Park Library Branch Repair and Renovations Project, located at 5440 South Racine Avenue, Chicago, Illinois, 60609. PBC contract number C1630. PBC project number 08325. I will now proceed to open the bids in no particular order. The first bid to be received is that of Angstrom Design and Build. The total base bid, $2,697,990 even. Again, the total base bid, $2,697,990 even. The total award criteria figure, $2,514,526.88. Again, The total award criteria figure, $2,514,526.88. Angstrom Design and Build's bid bond has been received. The next bid to be unsealed is that of Simpson Construction Company. The total base bid, $3,465,546 even. Again, the total base bid, $3,465,546 even. The total award criteria figure, $3,360,193.40. The total award criteria figure, $3,360,193.40. Simpson Construction Company's bid bond has been received. The next bid to be unsealed is that of F.H. Passion, S.N. Nielsen and Associates, LLC. The total base bid, $3,926,000 even. Again, the total base bid, $3,926,000 even. The total award criteria figure, $3,784,664 even. The total award criteria figure, $3,784,664 even. F.H. Passion, S.N. Nielsen and Associates bid bond has been received. The next bid to be unsealed is that of Path Construction Company. The total base bid, $3,330,000 even. Again, the total base bid, $3,330,000 even. The total award criteria figure, $3,103,560 even. The total award criteria figure, $3,103,560 even. Path Construction Company's bid bond has been received. The next bid to be unsealed is that of the George Solid Construction Company. The total base bid, $3,888,888 even. The total base bid, $3,888,888 even. The total award criteria figure, $3,835,221.35. Again, the total award criteria figure, $3,835,221.35. The George Solid Construction Company's bid bond has been received. The next bid to be unsealed is that of Alpha Chicago Inc. The bid of Alpha Chicago Inc. Total base bid, $3,088,000 even. Again, the total base bid, $3,088,000 even. The total award criteria figure, $3,063,296 even. Again, the total award criteria figure, $3,063,296 even. Alpha Chicago Inc.'s bid bond has been received. The next bid to be unsealed is that of Burling Builders Inc. Total base bid, $3,976,000 even. The total base bid, $3,976,000 even. The total award criteria figure, $3,773,224 even. The total award criteria figure, $3,773,224 even. Burling Builders, Inc. bid bond has been received. The next bid to be unsealed is that of Blenderman Construction Company, Incorporated. Total base bid, $3,665,000 even. Total base bid, $3,665,000 even. The total award criteria figure, $3,597,197.50. Again, the total award criteria figure, $3,597,197.50. Blenderman Construction Company Incorporated's bid bond has been received. The Commission has also received a submission from Prosperity Property Services, Inc. The submission does not constitute a complete bid and does not include a signed bid acceptance form. Accordingly, there is no bid amount to announce. The submission will be reviewed following the bid opening in accordance with the solicitation requirements. At this time, this concludes the Public Building Commission of Chicago's live bid stream bid opening for Sherman Park Branch Library Repair and Renovations Project, located at 5440 South Racine Avenue, Chicago, Illinois, 60609. PBC contract number C1630, project number 08325. Thank you for tuning in to the PBC's live stream.